Welcome to ConnectYes.Tech, a centralized portal for managing supplier quality seamlessly. From standards and audits to inspections and action tracking, everything you need is in one place. Built to simplify collaboration between yield engineering systems, its supplier partners, and contract manufacturers. You'll receive an email from yes-portal@yes.tech. Click the link and sign in using your username and password. Welcome to the Yes Supplier Quality Portal. In this video, we will guide you through all the available modules in the portal and explain how suppliers can effectively use each feature. Note: inputs used here is for demonstration purpose only. Let us begin with the home page. Your dashboard highlights priority actions assigned to you, so nothing is missed. The home page provides an overview of the portal. Here, you can view priority actions that require your attention, key insights and updates related to supplier quality. For administrative access, you can change your password anytime by clicking the Profile option located at the top right corner of the portal. Next is the Standard Library. This section contains all standard documents that Yes requires suppliers to follow. For example, you can download the Supplier Quality Manual and review the latest requirements. Please note, this module contains only Yes and semiconductor industry standards. Drawings and email communications will not be available here. If a document is revised, the latest revision will appear on the left side. Older or obsolete revisions will be available on the right side for reference. You may download and review these documents anytime and contact Yes if you have any questions. Coming to the Audit module. Whenever Yes assigns an audit, it will appear in this section. You can begin by clicking the Action button and selecting Self-Assessment. Inside the self-assessment, you will see audit details, the auditor and auditee details over here. If you need to change the auditee details, you may request your Yes supplier quality representative. You must then review each question carefully, provide your self-assessment score, upload supporting evidence. For example, if a question asks, "How do you assess the product meets all the specifications prior to the shipment of the ultimate delivery?" Here, if your score is 3 or 2, you have to give it here, and you should provide inspection checklist details, document number, supporting evidence. If a requirement does not apply to you, select Not Applicable, NA. Once all required fields are completed, click Complete to submit the audit. After submission, Yes will perform the final audit review. You will then see both your score and the Yes audit score, along with the audit status. If corrective actions are required, they will appear in the Action Plan Tracker, where you must upload evidence and close the actions. Next is the First Article Inspection, also known as the FAI module. FAI is required when a supplier manufactures and delivers a component to Yes for the first time. Creating a new FAI. Click New FAI and enter Yes part number as per purchase order. Enter part revision number. Enter only numeric values, no text such as Rev.01. Fill part description as per purchase order. Then, internal part numbers to be entered here. In case you don't have any internal part references for this supplier part, and you use only the Yes part reference, enter NA if not applicable. In Yes, site selection from the drop-down from which part is getting dispatched. Once submitted, a line item will be created for that part. This line remains active until a revision change occurs. Click the Action button and select Add/Edit Lot. Every time when you have a new lot, you have to click this Purchase Order option. Enter Purchase Order Number, Order Quantity, Lot Category. The first lot must always be marked as FAI. Serial delivery cannot be selected until FAI approval is completed. Provide the tentative FAI date, which indicates when the part will be ready for inspection. Once reports are ready, click Upload Reports. Upload all required documents. Reports must include raw material reports, inspection reports against balloon drawings, drawing images, all mandatory quality documents. After submission, the status changes to pending, and Yes will be notified for inspection. After Yes performs physical inspection and approves the part, the status changes to Go. You can then generate shipment labels by clicking the Action button, adding QR label requirements, entering batch number, pack quantity, total quantity, and shipment date. A unique ID will be generated. Download the PDF label and attach it to the shipment box. Important: lots without this QR label will not be accepted by Yes Quality. For future deliveries, create a new purchase order entry. Select Serial Delivery. Enter the new purchase order number and new quantity and submit it.
Serial deliveries do not require Yes approval and will automatically receive a Serial Go status. However, all reports must still be uploaded for incoming inspection verification. If any non-conformity is found, Yes may change the status to No Go, requiring a new FAI inspection. Coming to Deviation module. On the right side of the portal, find the Yes Part Number field. Click and enter your part number. Next to it, enter the part description. Fill in the Yes product line Virotherm Viroflex for your part. Continue filling in each field as required. Enter the part revision number. In the next field, enter the correct Yes purchase order number. Be careful, entering a wrong number will cause an error message. Select the Yes site that manages this order from the drop-down menu. Choose your name in the Yes Supplier Quality Name tab. Select the deviation type from the drop-down. Indicate whether the deviation request is temporary or permanent. While selecting temporary, mention the temporary quantity. Enter the deviation requested quantity. Enter the expected shipment date for the deviated tool or part in Date of Last Supply. In the Standard box, describe the standard that is being deviated from. In the Deviation box, provide detailed information about the deviation and relevant parameters. Use the Reason tab to explain why this deviation is necessary. In the Risk Assessment tab, describe the risks you, as the supplier, assess due to this deviation. If corrective actions are needed to prevent this deviation in future lots, specify them in the Corrective Action tab. Attach any supporting documents by uploading files in the File Upload section. If multiple deviations need to be added under the same part number, use the plus symbol to add additionally. After completing all fields, click the Submit button to notify Yes for review and decision. If you enter any corrective actions here, they will automatically appear in the Action Plan tracker. You must complete those actions from your side in order to close the deviation. Next is the Action Plan tracker. Any actions assigned to you by Yes will be captured here. For example,
If an audit is conducted and an action is assigned, it will appear in this tracker. Similarly, if a deviation is assigned with any required action, it will be listed here. In case of general actions, such as improvement points shared during a YES facility visit, those will also be captured in this section. To close an action, simply select the action key and respond in the provided section. You can enter your response, update the status to complete, and upload any supporting documents if available. Once submitted, an automatic email will be sent to YES, and the action will be marked as closed. This is about the Action Plan Tracker. The portal also includes a dashboard section. Here, you can view summarized insights and status updates across all modules, helping you track activities efficiently. Coming to the User menu, you have the option to add additional users from your company to the same portal. To do this, click on the plus Add User option. Enter the user's name, email ID, and contact number. Then click Submit. Once submitted, the request will be sent to YES to create the user and provide them with access. Thank you. This completes the overview of the YES Supplier Quality Portal. We encourage all suppliers to regularly access the portal, complete required actions on time, and maintain compliance with YES quality standards. Thank you for watching.